we'll guide you through how to use Sapphire Pixel Sort Transition. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your Windows search bar and typing After Effects into it. When the program shows up, open it and wait for it to load fully. Once it is ready, select New Composition to make a new comp for your project. After the composition is created, go to the project panel on the left side and right-click inside it. From the menu that appears, select Import, then choose File to bring in the footage you want to use. When the file window opens, pick your footage, import it, and then drag and drop it into the timeline, so it becomes part of your composition. Next, move to the timeline area again. Right-click on an empty space, and open the menu. From the options, select New, then choose Adjustment Layer. This will be the layer where the effect is applied. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel. Click the search bar at the top, and type 𝗧_pixel sort. When the effect appears, drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. After adding the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel where you can start working with the settings. Turn on the Threshold keyframe option to begin animating the transition. Set the first keyframe to a value of 0.300 so the effect starts fully active. Then move forward a few frames in the timeline and set the second keyframe to 1.000 to create the transition. Once the two keyframes are placed, drag to select both of them and right-click on the selection. In the menu that appears, choose Keyframe Assistant, then select Easy Ease to smooth the animation. After that, open the graph editor and adjust the graph shape until the motion feels right for your transition. This helps control how fast or slow the pixel sort effect fades in and out. When the graph looks good, return to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the remaining values if you want to shape the look even more. These settings let you change how the pixel sorting reacts on your footage, so try different values until you get a style that matches what you need. Once everything is set, play back the composition to see the transition in action and make any final tweaks.